Are you buying a hot tub? If so, you're probably also looking for a water care solution that keeps maintenance simple and convenient. Bullfrog Spas offers an amazing collection of water care systems that make owning and maintaining your hot tub easier than ever. Our top-of-the-line M-Series spas feature the revolutionary Simplicity system, a flat, space-saving design that uses 100% of the filter media for best-in-class filtration. In addition, Simplicity filters are inexpensive and easy to exchange without the hassle of filter cleaning. M-Series spa models also come with our EOS Advanced Ozone System, Frog at Ease sanitizing system, and dedicated circulation. In fact, all lines of Bullfrog Spas offer these 3 water care systems, either standard or as options. When combined, they make hot tub maintenance a breeze. Here's how it works. First, EOS operates automatically and generates up to twice as much ozone sanitizer as standard systems, while capturing and eliminating nearly 100% of the residual ozone gas. This kills 99.9% of microorganisms without any unpleasant odor. Second, Frog at Ease uses smart chlor technology in cartridges designed specifically for Bullfrog Spas to release just enough chlorine at just the right time. This reduces chlorine use by up to 75%, keeps chlorine levels low, and only requires shock treatment once a month. Third, the high-power vibration-free filtration pump quietly and efficiently circulates all the water in the spa, removing impurities more effectively and more consistently than standard filtration pumps. With all systems working together, you'll experience less need for chemical sanitizers and you'll use less energy. This saves time and money. Maintaining clean, healthy water in your spa has never been so easy. So relax and enjoy a more peaceful body, peaceful mind, and peaceful home, worry-free in your Bullfrog Spa.